Use the knife.
Hindi pa niya. Oo. Anong gusto mo, Caitlin? Oh, chocolate.
Magagaling to, magagaling. Alam mo masarap.
Oh. Kung saan ang mahal.
Alam nila yung ano. Mahal.
Alam nilang mahal, teacher. Oh.
Parang wala masyado pumipili na kayo na isa.
Oh. What's next, Ate Caitlin?
Put your knife here. Just put your knife.
Caitlin, naka-makeup pa talaga.
Oh, sige na. Oh. Oh, how to cover? Cover mo na.
Cover with tissue. Very good. Yes.
Okay.
You hold it with your other hand. Okay. Okay. Okay.